Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike again. Dun 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 dun. The mounting hardware box from Hormann. Okay, this is the second half of the video showing why you would have a Hormann garage door versus a competitor's. Okay, let's go to this real fast here. This comes in every Hormann box. It's an actual installation guide and owner's manual. It's not like a pre-made box with nothing in it to show you nothing at all. Kind of nice. Has a strut location. If you're unfamiliar with some of the doors, the oddball, there's like a 12 or a 14 or something, or whatever. You've got all the strut locations. Okay, shows you how to do all the hinge work and so forth. Okay, shows you how to do the winding of the springs. Shows you the cables, all that. I like that right there, the little strong arm right there to tighten the set screws. I've always enjoyed that little, that's just funny to me, I don't know why, but shows you that. Let's see what else we got here in the owner's manual, which you don't get with the competitors. Oh, there we go. Warranty, that's awesome. So we got 3,200, okay, lifetime on the section. 6 years hardware, 5 years torsion spring, and then Innovative Door will give you a 3-year labor warranty. You can pay extra if you want a longer warranty with us as well. Something I also like, these doors are manufactured and made right here in Montgomery, Illinois. This is their headquarters for the United States right now. I don't know if they're going to switch that to Tennessee. They got a new plant. They're a little behind on it, but they're going to be opening up a new plant real soon in Tennessee. It's going to be awesome. They're coming out with more stuff, more colors, more styles, more designs, especially on the 4250 line. That's the urethane version of this door. Just a bunch of really awesome stuff. But getting back to the 3200, why you should pick this Hormann door. Another reason, here's that step plate I was telling you about, and there's the lift handle, so there's no bending down, which I like. Okay, in the track, this is just something we do at Innovative here. See that little gloss on there? That's oil. We put a couple drips of oil in the track. If you notice the spring, I'm going to try and let it focus in a little bit. The spring actually has a little gloss to it. We do a little lubrication on the spring. Okay, we do warning tags. That bolt up there that's not red, I don't know if this is focusing in or not, that's a 3-incher because we're going in through drywall. And then we got the regular 2.5-inch red screws, lag bolts going into the header, and also the spring. That all the red stuff is warning, obviously. Okay. Here's how the doors goes together. Like I said, it's a really tight fit. Okay. There's the side shot there. There's that little black thing right there. That's good. That seals it up nice. Let's see here. Oh, another huge thing on this 2-inch polystyrene doors, it's pinch resistant. That's another awesome. See that I didn't even bend over, and then these doors just float. The way the Hormann door rolls, can't explain it. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the larger tongue and groove and the pinch resistant section. These things just float. If you ever notice on some of the other doors, there's a big bump up when this section goes up in the track, the number 3 or the 2, how the panel usually bows up a little bit like that. These don't do that. It's just smooth as glass. And we'll go out here to the outside and show you. Here's my fingers, and I will clean off all the paw prints. It just pushes your fingers out of the way. See that? So there's going to be no accidents whatsoever. I mean, Hormann door got all their pinch resistant hardware. It's great. You got the Hormann badge on the door. They're proud enough to put their badge on every single door. If you don't like it, you can take it off, but most people just leave it on. It's a sign of quality. A good name has to be earned. That's what August Hormann always used to say. So it's also pinch resistant on the inside, which is nice. So here we go on the inside. See that? You just cannot get your fingers pinched in there. And believe it or not, that's the #1 injury for garage doors. It's not the torsion spring. Look it up. Google it. It's pinched fingers. Pinched fingers is the #1 door injury on garage door. injuries. Another thing, like I said, 25 gauge, you only need one strut. Even on their hollow doors, one strut, but sometimes we'll put two on there per the homeowner request, or we'll actually do it on this door too. But you only need one. On the 4250, you don't need any struts. That's how durable that is. That's a 24 gauge door. That's like a brick house, man. That thing is solid, super solid. You can see here they are selling the home, so that's why we're doing it just a polystyrene. Plus it's a subdivision where they've authorized a Hormann flush in the desert tan, and that's what this is, a 3200 Hormann flush desert tan. Another thing on the innovative installs, this is key. We always properly space the tracks with the hangs. This is crucial to the door's longevity, how it rolls, the whole 9 yards. The life of the door depends on that. You can see the spacing's like absolutely perfect right there. Up here, same thing. Spacing is perfect all the way down and right there. It's not too tight on one side and too wide on the other. That's super key to us here at Innovative Garage Door, the way we do these installs. That's why we give you a long 3-year warranty, and like I said, we'll give you your warranty on labor is going to be solid with us because of the type of install we do. Now, we have not put the angle mount yet. We always angle mount these. This one we're going to have to make a little trick brace here because the opener is off center. So we'll span a piece of angle there and run one up to there to the strut and secure it that way. Most of the time, you don't have to do an H-brace, but on this particular application, we do. We always badge it with our name, number, address, and website, so there's no questions where we are. We're not trying to evade you in any way, shape, or form. So that's another quality thing we do on our installs. And we got them paper towels down there for the lube and the oil. So those are a bunch more reasons why you choose the Hormann garage door, the 2-inch polystyrene over the competitors. I think I've given you a bunch of quality, solid reasons why you would do that. Let me just close this down here. I thought I've given you enough quality, solid answers. This will probably be a part 3 video or a spliced video. I don't know yet, but that's the inside of the door. Clean, clean as a whistle. Nice, solid installation. Oh, and then we move the hangs too. We move those up as far as we can without making too much of a bend. Most people would just go to the back hole and that'll twist the horizontal. We do not do that. So there it is, the Hormann 3200, why you should choose this over the competitor. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our why to choose a Hormann garage door over the competitor video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.